Happy afternoon, guys. Now, today's our next topic, next chapter. It is Unit 9 Coordination Compounds. One of the easiest chapter in chemistry. Very simple. Only three important topics are there. First one, coordination compounds. Second one, finding the oxidation state. And third, Warner bond theory. These three very important. These three is main important and damn sure questions from this chapter. For NEET, 3 questions will come. For JEE, 1 question. Okay, one of the important and easiest interesting chapter. Okay, now let's start. Now first of all, what is coordination compounds? Already you know. Coordination bond only called coordination compounds. Coordination bond where is present, that all are comes under this chapter. Okay, coordination bond where is present, that all will come to the chapter. But here different names will come. Ligand name will come. Interesting one. And double salt, complex ions. This kind of words will come. Okay. Now let's take first few words we will discuss. Okay. First of all, complex ion. Complex ion. Complex ion. This complex ion actually it is come from basically these complex ions are 3 types. These are 3 types. First one is I will explain with the example. Cobalt NH3 6 3 plus is positive or cationic complex ion. Cationic or cationic complex ion or positive complex ion. Next, number 2, AgCN2 minus, FeCN6 4 minus. This also is there. This is negative or anionic complex ion. Anionic complex ion. Now third one, it is nickel CO4 4 down, CO4 both are carbon monoxide 4 is neutral. It is called simple complex ion. Why we are telling these are the complex ions? The main definition is which are do not dissociate into 2 parts are called complex ions. This is the definition. Which are do not, almost doesn't dissociate. Already these all are dissociated. See, charges are there. Charges means your +3 coming means your K3 is there. Your minus coming means your Cl is there. Okay, this kind of things This kind of things are there. This kind of compound already dissociated. Second time it won't dissociate. So which are do not dissociate into two parts or into ions are called complex ions. Which are do not dissociate into ions is called complex ions. Next, second word is double salt. Double salt. Next word is called double salt. This double salt means, actually in that word only we can describe that two different kind of metals form a salt. Okay, examples: KCl dot MgCl2, capital M, KCl dot MgCl2 dot 6H2O, carnallite. This is. See, potassium is there, magnesium is there. This is salt, this is salt. Both combinedly salts. This is called double salts. Like this, more salt, and potash, alum. These all are double salts. What is the definition? Which are dissociate into ions are called double salt. Which are dissociate into ions are called double salt. Now let's take example KCl dot MgCl2 dot H2O, 6 moles of H2O, K plus Mg plus 2 Cl minus plus H2O. This many ions are coming. This many dissociate ions are coming. Yes or not? So KCl is converted into this many. So if you balance it, 6 H2O, 6 you take, 3 you take. That's it. This is the double salt. Okay. Now here, let's take some differences are there. Next, some important terms in coordination compounds. The first one, it is ligands. Very, very important, Amma, this word. Ligands. Very, very important. Without this word, we can't complete the chapter. That much important. Very useful. If you know the ligands definition, if you know, that easily you will cross the chapter. Okay. Now here, actually, these totally coordination compounds are totally depend upon donation and acceptance of electrons. See, for example, two lone pair electrons are there. So one will donate, one will accept. So this is acceptor, this is donor. Okay, the donor will donate one electron to acceptor. So acceptor will accept this and formation of coordination bond. So final conclusion is donor and arrow mark and acceptor. Okay, this only, right? This is only called coordination bond. So here, what is donor, what is acceptor, we have to know. So donors are it is anions and neutral molecules. Simply, the anions neutral molecules commonly called it is ligands. Donors means which are donated persons. Anions will donate, means negatively charged one will donate, and sometimes neutral molecules also donate. Okay, anions and neutral molecules both will donate. Anion negative symbol means what? Two dots means two extra electrons, both are same. So anions. Neutral molecules means for example NH3 is there. This is neutral, but it contains two electrons are two lone pairs are there. LP lone pairs are there. So which are contains lone pairs, which are contains negative charge. These all are called ligands. These all are called donors. Okay. Next, acceptors. Acceptors. Acceptors means which are accept electrons. Which are accept electrons. Okay. So that all are simply metal atoms. Acceptors are called metal atoms. Okay. Sometimes ions also. Any ion also act as a electron pair acceptor. Some ions also. Sometimes positive also. Positive one also will accept. So positive ion. I sometimes negative ion also again accept this kind of ions. Okay, don't take any charge. Ions. These are called acceptors. Acceptors, metal atoms, ligands. Okay. Now this is donors and acceptors definition. Donors and acceptors definition. Very very important, amma. Year after chapter will start. Year after chapter will begins. Okay. Now let's write the definition. Definition. The donor atoms, molecules are anions which donate a pair of electrons to metal atom and formation of coordination and formation of coordination bond is called or is with are called ligands. What are they? Atom, molecule, anions, which are donate electron to the metal, and the formation and coordination bond are called ligands. Okay, this is the definition, full definition. Okay, now the metal atom which is attached with ligands, the metal atom which is attached attached with ligand is called central metal atom or ion. The metal atom which is attached with ligand is called central metal atom or ion. Okay, if you, for example, central metal atom, if you pronunciation is difficult, just to take the ion which is accepting electron is called ion. Which is accepting electrons are called ions. Okay, but here donation, how many, 1 or 2 or 3, that is difficult. Again, some more little depth we have to go. What it is? So donation, how many, 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, that is depend upon, it is that capacity of ligand. Capacity of ligand. So now type of ligands. Type of ligands. First, unidentate. Unidentate. Dentate means what? Dental. Dent means tooth. Okay. For example, this word we have to decide. Then after we'll go to the unidentate or monodentate. Both are same only. Not same. Okay, unidentate means 0, monodentate different. Okay. Yeah. First, dent. Dent means what? Dent means tooth. Whatever in Tamil I don't know. Dent means tooth. Okay. This tooth means how many tooths are there? For example, central metal. One metal is there in central. For example, one is there like this. Monodentate. Second one is there like this. Didentate. If it is there like this. Tridentate. If it is there like this. Tetradentate. For example, this is pentadentate. If it is there like this. Hexadentate. These all are called tooths. Tooth 1, tooth 2, tooth 3. These all are tooths. Dent means. Unidentate means 0. Unidentate means 0. Okay. It is didentate means, monodentate means 1. Got it? Now, this is the now first I will explain one more. It is denticity. Denticity. This is called denticity. For example, one lone pair is there. One lone pair is there. It will donate one electron. And it form coordination bond. So arrow mark symbol, one bond is coming means it is monodentate. So two lone pairs are there. How many will come? This is first bond, this is second bond will come. After this coming year, two bonds will come. Didentate. Three lone pairs are there. What will come? Tridentate will come. Four lone pairs are there. Tetradentate will come. Okay, got it? That is called denticity. Denticity. Next, second word, chelation. Chelation. I will explain. For example, oxalate is there. For example, oxalate ion. Okay, COO minus. This is oxalate ion. Now let's take C double bond O, C double bond O minus. So minus means what? Two extra lone pair. Minus means what? Two lone pairs. Okay. So here two lone pairs are there. What dentate it is? Didentate. Didentate, right? Now it can donate. For example, metal is there here. Now it can donate and formation of coordination bond. It came here. Okay. Now it came here. It formation of coordination bond. So didenticity. And next, chelation means this ring is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called chelation ring. This ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 bonds are there, right? This ring is called chelation ring. That chelation ring is 2 bonds or 3 bonds or 4 bonds or that is no need. Just simply it is ring formation is possible or not. Chelation ring is possible or not, that is called chelation or metal chelate or chelate ring. Okay? Didentate chelate, bidentate chelate. This way we have to pronounce this. This is called chelation. Very, very important. Okay? Now these chelations are for some examples are there. Now we will discuss with by ligands, denticity, and central metal atoms. Few examples we have to practice today. Now first, chelation, didentate, chelation, didentate chelation. Now take ethane 1,2-diamine, CH2 NH2 CH2 NH2. How many lone pairs are there here? 2 lone pairs. So this is didentate. Didentate means 2 teeths. 2 teeths are there for this compound. Okay, very little baby, 2 teeths only there. Didentate. Okay, so year 1. Now let's take PTCl, platinum dichloride. This name is called ethane 1,2 diamine. This name simply called EN. Very, very important compound. EN. Ethane 1,2 diamine. Very, very important. Full of chapter. This example will continuously come. Every day 2 times, 3 times it will come. Every time 3-4 times it will come. Okay. Got it? This is charge 0. But it is a didentate. Okay. Now let's take PT Cl. Now here this electron is coming to here. and this electron will come to here. The formation, coordination bond. Now remove this 2. Now here one electron, here one electron, here one electron, here one electron. Now this is called didentate chelation ring. This ring, how to take? See, I am taking round. This ring is called didentate chelation ring. Sir, didentata, bidentata means bidentate also correct. Bidentate chelation ring. You call bi or di, not a problem. Both are showing 2 only. Okay? How many bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bonds are there. In this 5, 2 coordination bonds, 3 covalent bonds. Didentate chelation ring. Okay? This is what? En what? En is didentate ligand. 2 teeth ligand. Simply 2 teeth ligand. 2 teeth ligand. Next, tridentate example not there. Tetradentate we will go. Tetradentate chelation. The compound is PT, PTCl. Oh, here we have to write formula. PT Cl2 En. What PT Cl2? PT Cl2 En. This fully En. Okay, this is two dentate didentate. What about this? This Cl, monodentate. Mono. This is di. Dentation is very, very important. Second compound, tetradentate diene. PTCl diene. One Cl decreases here. Here one extra Cl is there. Here one Cl decreases. Here diene, en only. Here diene. 2 ens will come. Okay. Now let's take PT NH NH2 CH2 CH2. Now here one coordination bond, here one coordination bond, here one coordination bond. Yeah, see here. Changes. This is not tetra, terdentate. Sorry. TER dentate. Not 4, 3. 3 means terdentate or tridentate, not a problem. Terdentate, okay? How many are there? Tooths? 1, 2, 3. 3 tooths are there. 3 tooths. So, terdentate chelation ring. How many chelation rings are there? 1, 2. First ring, second ring. 2 chelation rings. Two chelation rings. Now example, not example, homework. Tetradentate chelation. Draw the structure. PT, triene, 2 plus. And one more thing, homework should send in our group, because of you are personally you are sending, somebody numbers are don't have. So if you are sending also who those are doing homework, I am not clicking that on your names. Okay. So if you are sending in a group, send a photo and name, that's it. Photo and downside Vishal, that's it. No, don't need to tell sir today's homework, yesterday's homework. Every day you have to write homework. Homework, one sheet is there, Excel sheet is there for principal madam watching purpose. So that every day who those are doing homework, after few days in front of your parents we will put that one, that's it. Okay, that Excel sheet will come. So all names are there. Homework day 1, day 2, day 3 like this is there. When I will give homework, that time only you have to do. Okay, not a problem. Sometimes I will give, sometimes I won't give. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday definitely I will give. Thursday we have to do all the homework every day, not a problem. But every day sending is better. Okay, now this homework you have to do. What? Tetradentate chelation. See this one, you draw the structure and send to me. Small, very small homework. Okay, next our topic, typical ligands. Typical ligands means ligands, how it is behaving, what is the charge and what type of ligands we have to discuss. Okay, now first one, it is H2O. Okay, this H2O charge is 0, no charge, but this is a unidentate. Now second one is NH3. 0 charge, unidentate. Now third one is CO. His charge is 0. It is unidentate. And fourth one, it is CH2 NH2. CH2 NH2 is charge is 0 and didentate. Either you take didentate, either you take bidentate, not a problem. Okay, didentate or bidentate. And fifth one, very important one, Cl minus Br minus I minus CH3 COO minus Cn minus and SCN minus. These all are charge 1, charge minus 1. Okay, charge minus 1. These all are monodentate. All are monodentate. What is the difference between unidentate and monodentate? Monodentate means the charge only one only will come here. Charge, negative charge is there, right? Negative charge, that only one only will come, mono. But look at here, CO is unidentate, there is no charge, here also no charge, and here water can donate two lone pairs are there, so one only will donate, unidentate, that's why. Here also unidentate, no charge. Here carbon have one lone pair and oxygen have two lone pairs, okay, that's why unidentate. But here Cl minus, already Cl having 7 and minus charge means one extra. This is the charge, whatever charge is donating, that's why it is called monodentate. Okay, these all are typical, different one. Next, sixth one, it is CH2, NH2, COO minus. Glycinate, charge minus 1, it is didentate. Why didentate? Year 1, 2, year 1. Next, seventh one, it is oxalate, minus 2 charge, it is didentate, already you know, didentate. Okay, next, eighth one, it is EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate, EDTA. The structure is CH2N, CH2COO minus, CH2COO minus, CH2N, CH2COO minus, CH2COO minus. Okay, how many are there? Minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 4 charge. But hexadentate, but minus only, right? But hexadentate, why? Hexadentate, why? What is the reason? Because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6. That's why EDTA minus 4 charge, but hexadentate, didentate. And remember it, when charge is 0, it is called unidentate. When charge is present, that is called monodentate. Okay, this is the about ligands. Once again, repeating. H2O unidentate, NH3 unidentate, CO unidentate, EN ethylene diamine, EN is didentate, ClBr, I, CH3O, COO is CN, SCN, these all are monodentate. And one more, what? It is glycinate ion is didentate, and oxalate ion didentate, and EDTA is hexadentate. Why hexadentate? 4 minuses and 2. Okay, totally 8 examples about ligands. Next one, it is about ambidentate ligands. ambidentate ligands. Ambidentate ligands. This is a unidentate ligand contains more than one guys. About unidentate and monodentate, don't confuse, both are same only. Uni or mono, both are same. Uni, mono, both dentates are same, but they are calling different, but both are same. Okay, yeah. Unidentate ligand containing more than one coordination atom, more than one coordination atoms are called ambidentate. You can't understand this without definition, without example. So, for example, nitro you take NO2 minus. Okay, this is NO2 is the best example. For example, this is NO2. For example, this is a central metal. It is a central metal. The central metal is N is attaching. For example, N is attaching. N onwards upside lone pair is there. That one is donating here. So this is N bond. This is called nitrito N. Name nitrito N. And for example, central atom is taking the bond with oxygen lone pair. Oxygen upside lone pair is there, na? For example, that one, oxygen upside lone pair, that is donating and formation coordination bond. Okay, for example, 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, this is nitrito O. This is nitrito N. This is nitrito O. Because of, look at here, nitro compound, the central metal atom can take either N onwards, either O onwards. Two possibilities are there. N onwards donation lone pair and O onwards donation lone pair. So two different. So a compound, a molecule, a unidentate ligand contains more than one coordination atoms. What are they? N and O, more than one, is called ambidentate. Okay. Similarly, same like this. Second example, example number 2 is a metal SCN, thiocyanate. Okay, this thiocyanate. See here, thio compound means sulfur. We are calling thio. That everybody know. That thio compound, sulfur is attaching to central metal atom or donating here onwards donating. Okay. So that's why it is thiocyanate. For example, metal, central metal, it is a NCS. Nitrogen also containing lone pair is there. That lone pair is donated here. So nitrogen is bonding. That is called isothiocyanato. Iso coming. Here thiocyanato coming. Direct thio, there isocyano. Okay. So similarly same cyano, isocyano, same everything is sulfur nitrogen also same character is there possible. Like this third example number third metal CN for example CN cyano for example metal is nitrogen attached carbon it is isocyano. This way we have to talk about ambidentate. Okay, this is the thing about ambidentate ligands. Okay. Now coordination. Next side heading. It is third coordination. Sphere or coordination entity and counter ion. Coordination sphere or entity and counter ion. Okay, very important. Now let's take a diagram, small diagram. CO, cobalt, NH3 6 square bracket Cl3. See here, this square bracket is there na, square bracket, this box, this is called coordination sphere or coordination entity. Coordination sphere or entity, square bracket region, full box is called coordination sphere or coordination entity, this fully. So coordination sphere what? Cobalt hexaamine. Next, what is cobalt? Now this is central metal atom. CO is the central metal atom. Next, inside common bracket, in common bracket is called ligands. Now this number is there na, this number is called coordination number. And square bracket outside, whatever atoms are there, that are called counter ions. counter ions, counter ion, very important amma. Without this we can't do anything. Okay, see, square bracket inside whatever it is there, coordination sphere or coordination entity, and cobalt is a central metal atom, and whatever it is there with a central metal atom, that is called ligand, and the ligand downside number is called coordination number. Square bracket outside whatever it is there, that is called counter ion, okay. This is the very important. Which are written outside of the brackets are called counter ions. Like these definitions are there. Okay, this is about. Next, coordination polyhedron. Next topic, coordination polyhedron. Polyhedron. Polyhedron means arrangement of ligand atoms. Around the central metal atom is called polyhedron. The arrangement of ligands, write the definition. The arrangement of ligands around central metal atom is called polyhedron. Okay guys, totally 5 types are there, that all also you know, everybody know. Okay, now very fast I am taking the metal, ligand upside, ligand side, ligand down, ligand here, ligand. How is their arrangement? This is tetrahedral. Next, a metal, ligand. Whatever it is, square planar. Next, a metal, ligand. Octahedral. Next, a metal, upside one, downside one, side 2. ligand, 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 ligand. Trigonal, bipyramidal. Trigonal, bipyramidal. Trigonal, bipyramidal. These all are everybody know. Okay. Now next and very very important one is oxidation number and oxidation state. Oxidation number and oxidation state, everybody know. Once again we will go to that chapter. Okay, this is enough today. We'll discuss later oxidation number and oxidation state we will discuss tomorrow. Okay guys, bye, take care, and shall I give homework? Whatever. Right, homework. Write the homework. Why leaves are green in color? First question. Why leaves are in green color? Because of one complex compound is there, that's why. What is that? Just find out. I won't write. You have to write the question and answer. Question number 1 is why leaves are in green color? Plant leaves. Okay, plant leaves, why it is in green color? Question number 1. One complex is there. What is that complex metal? Second, when we eat vitamin B complex, when we eat vitamin B complex, which metal enter into our body? When we eat B complex, which metal enter into our body? Second question. Now third, when our hemoglobin is low, the deficiency of which metal? The deficiency of which metal is caused and why? These all are coordination compounds only. So green color, why green color leaves are in green color? First question. When we eat B complex, vitamin B complex, which metal enter into our body? And third question, when our hemoglobin is low, the deficiency of which metal is caused and why? These 3 questions answer you have to send to picture. Okay guys, bye, take care. If you want to listen the questions, repeat again the video.